Peppermint Bonbon Tart is my mom's favorite dessert. I make it for her every year for her birthday. It's such a decadent treat. A solid chocolate shell filled with clouds of peppermint cream, perfect for the holidays or a December birthday. And since her birthday was last week, let's make one. I start by chopping 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Place the chocolate in a bain-marie. Add 2 tablespoons of cream and stir over boiling water until the chocolate is melted. While the chocolate is melting, butter an 11-inch tart pan with a removable bottom. Press the melted chocolate into the pan and up the sides. It's so much easier to use my hands for this. Place the pan in the fridge to harden. The tart filling is made with melted candy canes, gelatin, and fluffy whipped cream. Unwrap 12 peppermint candy canes, or have your assistant do it for you. Be sure to use the traditional red and white striped candy canes. If you use the ones with green in them, your filling will turn an awful brown color. I've made that mistake before. Place the candy in a resealable bag and use a meat mallet to finely crush it. The finer the candy is crushed, the faster it will melt into the filling. Meanwhile, I'm mixing 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin with a 1/4 cup of cold water. Gelatin is a foolproof way to ensure the tart isn't runny. Set that aside until it's dissolved. Measure out 1/2 cup of cream and pour into a small saucepan. Add in the crushed candy. Stir the mixture over medium heat until the candy has melted completely into the cream. When the candy is melted, carefully transfer it to a heat-safe bowl. Pour in the gelatin. By this time, it has absorbed all the water and should be very thick and gelatinous. Stir it vigorously into the melted candy. Then let this mixture cool to room temperature. What makes this tart so fluffy and light is whipped cream. I'm going to whip the remaining cream until stiff peaks form. Stir a 1/4 of the cream into the cooled candy mixture, just to lighten it. Fold in the rest of the cream. I think it's pretty to leave a few dark streaks running through the filling. Spread the filling into the tart shell and place it back in the fridge until it's set. Just before serving, shower the tart with a few more crushed candy canes. For the full recipe, click the link below. Happy holidays!